don't think I can go.
Well, welcome to Carmine's Country Corner. We're recording the show a little early so we could run it at 6 o'clock tonight, because I've got to run down and do something else. But anyway, so I got the boys together at about 12. We said, let's knock one out. And I got Gary Swan on piano and bass. He's kicking bass today. It sounds good. And of course, Dan Hugot, my backup man, he's there.
Jazz man, I'm a jazz man.
No bass solos in the Wild Country Band,
Oh,
please.
man.
Thank you. And Dan's yeah.
Oh, definitely.
Dan's putting crazy ideas in Gary's head. Now, Dan, I don't need your help.
Not a lot of room left.
Yeah, and not only did I not get double, I got less than normal.
Do one more, and then maybe I'll do one. We're coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota.
Are we live?
This is kind of a last-minute throw-together kind of a show. Now, yesterday I did about a 12-minute little single thing, just talking about the show and about
I saw that.
working and doing different things.
Well, that was sure a lot of hate mail, wasn't it?
Boy, I'm telling you. And I only did about 3 songs. I just kind of, just for the fun of it. But we had a good time, and so that was fun.
Let's see what Folsom.
Now we're here, and let me get my strap set, and Bob Smith Toyota, and Carmine's Country Corner. Okay.
I hear the train coming, rolling around bend. I ain't seen the sunshine. I don't know when I'm fucking home from prison and time is dragging on. And when I hear that whistle blowing on down that train. Okay, this is I have an important announcement to make.
You do?
Yeah,
On my show?
yeah, it's about your show.
Okay, folks, let's listen to Gary right now.
Go back in the kitchen and go get me some toast. This week in, I don't know where you're listening from, but in Anaheim they have what's called the NAMM Show, which is the National Association of Music Manufacturers. It's where all the people that make equipment go and all the people from music stores buy it and artists go and all that. So I want to thank my sponsors, Hammond Organ, for the keyboards, and this amazing stand from Black Panther
That's a good
Systems.
stand, folks.
It's the best stand you can buy. There's no better keyboard stand than this one. Black Panther Systems. They're from Germany, and they'll be at the NAMM show. And Booker Limited, which supplies me a kit for my Leslie for my bigger Hammonds. And Redhead Stepchild for my cases. And if I forget you, I guess you'll drop me.
Is he all right?
We have a lion back in the room
What's
back
wrong?
there, but
Well, that's my grandson back there. Is he not feeling well, Kim? Huh? Do you want to take him, just give one shot at the camera and take him for a walk, or go or do something?
okay, so we're here with my fabulous left
That's our
hand.
grandson Brandon, and he's not feeling very good right now, so we're gonna let Kim just let it run and attend to Brandon. Okay, do another one.
Alrighty.
We'll play some music.
Let's do, I forgot the name of the song, folks, but we're gonna do it anyway.
Oh, by the way, that little Hammond thing you just
Yeah.
thing, I'll be expecting a little check to Carmine's Country Corner for the commercial. So talk to the people over there. And let
I
them
don't
know.
even think they want me at the booth.
Oh, really? You're one of the main guys for years. You were there, always.
I know, that's before
And things
they
change.
murdered all of you.
Anyway, folks, we're gonna keep this going for a little while.
Alright.
We'll keep.
Gee, hey,
Gee,
good,
gee.
hey, good looking here. 1, a 2, a 3. Hey, good looking. What you got cooking? How about cooking something up with me? All right, pick it, go ahead. Hey, good looking. What you got cooking? How about cooking something up with me? I'm free and ready, so we can go city. How about sitting all your time for me? I got a hot rod for and $2 bill. I know a spot right over the hill. They soda pop and dancing free. Wanna have fun? Come along with me. Hey, sweet baby, don't you think, baby, we could find another brand new recipe? Got a hot rod for $2 bill. I know a spot right over the hill. There's soda pop and dancing free. Wanna have fun? Come along with me. Hey, sweet baby, don't you think, baby, we could find us a brand new recipe? interesting story about that song.
Tell me about it.
It was supposed to be another song.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
when I started it out, I thought, well, this isn't the song I wanted to sing.
So we're here at Bob Smith Toyota. Just a little trio tonight. We got Gary kicking bass. Thank you, Gary. You're doing a good job in that.
I'm doing a magnificent job.
Gee, I
yes.
don't know. Paul. I mean, do we need him? Yeah, we do.
Yeah.
Believe me, without Paul, we don't have a band. Anyway, Paul's off doing something else today, and I'm working down at Knott's. I gotta leave here about 1:30. This thing will be done by 12:15. I'll lock her down, drive on down there, and go play some more music. And I don't know why I'm playing this big jumbo box
know.
today, but I've been playing it down there. They do a lot of bluegrass, and so I do some acoustic stuff.
You can
down
see
there.
where you're ruining the finish, bringing it out in this cold weather.
Well, it's okay. It's my guitar. I'll just treat it the way I want to. Thank you for the help. Anyway, no, this guitar's about 60 years old. It's got a lot of miles on it, and it's actually in pretty good shape considering. I'll tell
For
you.
the shape it's in.
For the shape it's in.
Alright, I'm gonna try to do the song that I was originally gonna
Okay,
do.
do another one and then I'll do one.
Okay. This is
What key? Just give me a key.
G.
G.
G. If you know the name of this song, please write in and tell me.
Lonesome Me.
Oh, Lonesome
Oh,
Me
Lonesome Me.
by what's his name?
Gibson, was it?
Yeah,
Don Gibson.
Don Gibson.
Don Gibson. Here's another stuff. I just got all my haircut. Can you see? Every one of them, even the ones in the
hang
back.
on a second. Kim, is everything okay?
He's fine. Can I use your car key to move your car?
Yeah. Oh, so right there, I think at the edge of that counter.
Okay. I'm gonna pull my car in so he can sit in the car.
Okay, do whatever you want to do. Okay, Brandon's fine. I guess he must have an upset stomach or something, but nothing serious, folks. So we're gonna get this show finished up, and I'm determined to finish this show.
Yeah, well,
All
let's
right.
do that.
Lonesome Me.
One,
G.
a two, a G, two. Well, everybody going out and having fun. I'm just through for staying on
holding to a memory. And since you've been gone, no matter what I try to do, there's a broken heart in me. And I can't explain the way I feel. Every tear I cry is real. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, broken hearted me. We nailed it. Kim, how we doing out there? Under control? Great. Everything is good. Do another one, Gary. Coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota. This show is live now just for fun. You know, we're going to do it anyway. We go live. But we're going to rerun this at 6 for everybody who checks in at 6 to see the show. This will be it. This is our new show for January 19th. And we're having fun doing it. All right, Gary.
Three chords on the bass drum. D. A long time forgotten, dreams that just fell by the way. Good life he promised ain't what she's living today. But she never complained about the good things, the times they've done, Lord. Just talk about all the good times they've had, all the good times to come. She's a good-hearted woman, love with a good time, man. Loves him in spite of his ways, she don't understand. She'll teardrops and laughter that pass through this world hand in hand. She's a good-hearted woman, with a good time, man. He likes the night lights, bright lights, and the good times with a friend. When the party's all over, she'll welcome him back home again. Though she don't understand him, but does the very best that she can. She's a good-hearted woman, loving a good time and man. She's a good-hearted woman, loving a good time and man. Loves him in spite of his making up ways, she don't understand. She'll teardrops and laughter that pass through this world hand in hand.
where we caught it. Kim, is everything working up there? I think we got a show. How's Brandon? Is he okay now?
Yeah, he's loving it.
He likes it out. You know what was bugging him? The music, I bet. He's very sensitive, Brandon. He's a really good boy.
He likes good music,
And,
right?
He likes good music, but he likes to be far away from it. You know, he's one of those kind of guys. Anyway.
Took your car around the block.
Yeah, he took my car. He's on the freeway right now. This old smoke-filled bar, something I'm not used to. I just left my home to keep you satisfied. Stop by, see me anytime you want to. You can always find me here, closing time. I got swinging doors, a jukebox, and a bar stool. My new home has a flashy neon sign. Come on by, come and see me anytime you want to. You can always find me here to closing time. I got everything I'm gonna need to drive me crazy. I got everything I'll need to lose my mind. Come on by, see me anytime you want to. 'Cause you'll always find me here to closing time. I got everything I'll need, drive me crazy. I've got everything in here to lose my mind. In the atmosphere, you know it's just right for heartache. And thanks to you, I'm always here to closing time. I got swinging doors, a jukebox, and a bar stool. My new home has a flashing neon sign. Stop by, see me anytime you want to. And you can always find me here to closing time.
Hear that beat a little bit?
All right, Gary, what do
Johnny
you got?
Tillerson.
So we're coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota, and we're having a lot of fun doing this thing right in the kind of early afternoon. And we might have to do this for the next 2 weeks, because I think they want me to work. I think I'm gonna be busy the next 2 Sundays, so I think we're gonna meet here at noon, do the show, and then we'll have a brand new show for you each week, folks. We're not gonna forget about you. Keep writing those nice little things you guys send in. We just love them. And keep watching the show. And this will be up on YouTube too, right, Kim? We'll put it up on YouTube, honey. And so push subscribe on YouTube. When you watch it on YouTube, push the subscribe button. And when you watch it on Facebook, the like and share button, I think, are the 2 you want to push. And that'll help the show out. It'll help promote it. And but the numbers are getting better all the time. We got more people watching, and so we're having a lot of fun doing this. Thank you guys for making it happen. Hey.
I myself sleep each night, wishing I could hold you tight. Life's an empty sense, you went away. Below where you lay, hold my lonely tears instead. Keep right on hurting since you've gone. Keep right on hurting every minute of the day. Every hour you're away, I feel so lonely. I can't help it, I don't think I can go on. Keep right on since you've gone. They say a man must never cry. When I see you passing by, my heart breaks down, cries a million tears. The pillow where you lay, hold my lonely tears instead. Keep right on hurting since you're gone. They say a man must never cry. When I see you passing by, my heart breaks down, cries a million tears. You broke my heart, you set me free. You forgot your memory. Keep right on hurting since you've gone. Keep right on hurting since you've gone. Yeah, this is kind of like waking up at 3 in the morning.
It's good. I like it. like waking up at 3
I
in the morning.
cannot.
And I gotta tell you, a lot of good things happen when you wake up at 3 in the morning
No,
sometimes.
the judge,
Trust me, I know.
the judge told my mother nothing good happens after 2.
Well, yeah, okay, good, but I have another thing going. Anyway, so it's all good.
Yeah, it's like, I don't know. I cry myself. Yeah.
I thought it sounded great. You know, John Beelan, a good friend of mine, God, I met him, I'm thinking about 68, John. What do you think? 68, 69, maybe even before that. I think he used to hang out at a place called the Copra Room in Glendale. I think that's where I first met him. Anyway, Johnny went on to have a really great career. He's worked with every big artist. Now see, this mic, I got set straight, and I'm not used to playing it with the Gibson. And the Gibson's real thick, and I keep running into it. So there I stumbled and talked with a pick in my mouth. Anyway, that's a good thing. Anyway, John and I became good friends, and he went on to work with Mac Davis, Dolly Parton, the Burrito Brothers with Gibb. He was with them for like 25, 30 years. And everybody else, the Bellamy Brothers, I can go on and on. Paycheck, I think Johnny.
You never played with me.
He recorded with everybody from Johnny Cash to everybody. He's been on everybody's record. And I'm proud to call him my friend. And he sent us a little post the other day, and he said, he lives up north. I don't know how far, but up north. He's in California. And he said, your little thing said, I'm going to come down and do your show. You know, I said, man, John, anytime, you just call and you're here. We'd love to have you. And we can tell some great stories. He's got some real stories, that guy. I got to tell you, the Troubadour and Linda Ronstadt and all those people, Hoyt Axton, all of them. He worked with Chris Christopherson for quite a while too. I mean, he's worked with everybody, but he's a good player. The guy
I
knows
worked
what to
with
do.
Chris's wife.
Well, we don't want to talk about personal things on the show. Should I do another one? What time is it? What time does that
It's
say?
12:48.
Oh, it's 12:48. We'll go till about 1, maybe 5 after 1, and then we'll call this thing quits. Hope you're enjoying the show. It's kind of laid back. We're not, we're just having fun. I'm glad the boys showed up, or I wouldn't even been able to do this thing.
I realize that.
I like doing it. I enjoy it. So thank you, Gary, and thank you, what's your name again? Dan. Oh, wait a minute. We take calls at Carmine's Country Corner. Would you believe that? Wait, I'm stuck.
I
Hold on
hope
a
it's
second.
about 10 minutes.
This won't take long. What's this? No, this will be quick. Sourdough. Not right now, John, believe it or not. This is John Palmer. I left him a message.
Tell
He'll
me
come and
about
play
it.
drums at noon. He called me at 1:45. No, hang on a second. We're actually doing the show, so I gotta go because we have 15 minutes and we're done. I got Dan playing drums right now, but thanks for calling back.
Yeah, John, go back to bed.
Yeah, we just did a quickie, just me and Gary and Dan. So I've got to run. I'll see you next. I'll call you this week. We're doing one next Sunday, but it's going to be a little earlier. All right, talk to you later, brother. Thanks.
Just like that.
That was
it's
John
already-
Palmer calling to find out what's going on. I said it's already going on. So anyway,
Just like that.
next week, that's it. So what am I doing here? I remember the year Clayton Delaney died, and they said for the last 2 weeks he suffered and he cried, and it made a big impression on me. Although I was a barefoot kid, said he got religion at the end, and I'm glad that he did. Old Clayton was the best guitar picker in our town, and I thought he was a hero. Used to follow Clayton around. Oh, I often wondered why Clayton, who seemed so good to me, he never took that guitar, made it down in Tennessee. And my daddy said he drank a lot I could never understand. I knew he used to pick a five-piece band. Clayton used to tell me, son, you better throw that old guitar away, 'cause there ain't no money in it. It leads you to an early grave. I guess if I'd admit it, old Clayton taught me how to drink booze. I could see him half stone picking up the lovesick blues. Clayton died, I made him a promise. I was gonna carry on somehow. I'd give $100 if he could only see me now. And I remember the year Clayton Delaney died. Nobody ever knew it, but I went up in the woods and I cried. And I know there's a lot of big preachers that know a lot more than I do. And it could be that the good Lord likes a little picking too. And I remember the year Clayton Delaney died. All right, what do you got, Derek?
One more last chance. Hey.
Hey, well, there's my pick.
Eli,
Huh?
Eli.
I can't think what you're saying. Go ahead.
Eli.
Kick it off.
Something like Eli.
Yeah, something Eli.
Eli's
No,
coming
sorry.
out. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Well, she was standing at the front door. I came home last night. Good book in the left hand, rolling in the right. Crazy, come on, last night. Whiskey on your bread. Gonna live within my keyboards next.
We're coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota here downtown La Crescent. We're going to do one more quick one and call it a day. Is that 50 or 58? Yeah, I think we're right at 1 o'clock almost, aren't we? Okay. So, we had a good time. It was kind of thrown together. It was a lot of fun next week. We'll have the whole band and who knows. But this was great fun. Thank you, Gary. Thanks for kicking bass and doing all you do. And Dan, my good friend, thank you so much. You know, Dan comes in today to play drums, and he can't help himself. He's still setting up technical stuff. He helped us fix the monitor for Swan. He just helps me out a lot, and I appreciate it. Okay, what do you want to do to close it out?
Let's do Wildwood Flower.
Oh, no.
That's why that's your phone.
Palmer again.
It's Palmer again.
I'll make this one quick.
Yeah.
Sorrow. Tom, I'm right in the middle of a show. We're doing an early show. Let me call you after. Oh, wait. This is Tom Wilson, our other producer, and he's watching the show right now, and he called me. What's up? Oh, cool.
Just like the Ed Sullivan Show.
He says we're doing a bang-up job. Yep.
Tell him to turn the speakers on.
Wait. Go ahead. Okay, Tom Wilson says 6 o'clock, folks. Tune back in at 6 and watch the show because it's a lot of fun. You know, Tom, I feel like it was because I'm in a good mood and I'm having a good time. So I love you. Thanks for calling. Oh, okay, buddy. Bye.
I can't help it if I'm still in love with you, E.
He had to call us and tell us what a good job we were doing. So thank you, Tom.